Hello, my viewers. You are highly welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial today, we are going to be solving the problem we are having on my board. Now, the question says we should prove that the square root of 1 minus sine theta over 1 plus sine theta equals to sec theta minus tan theta. That is what we are going to be looking at. So now we are going to be considering one of these sides. So we solve it, we pick one of the sides, we solve and solve till the extent we arrive at the other side. So therefore, you are choosing the one you are comfortable with. For me, I am comfortable with the left hand side. And for that, let's get started. So now, I want you to follow me, attentively. You listen to me and do not miss any step. So now, let's begin. I have this 1 minus sine theta over 1 plus sine theta. Now what I'm going to do here is that let me take, multiply the both numerator and denominator by the conjugate of what? Of the denominator. That is 1 minus sine theta. If you look at this, you can see that we didn't change anything at all. Are you getting now? Because this is actually called what? Called equivalent fraction, because whenever you multiply numerator and the denominator by the same quantity or by the same value, so we are still going to have the same fraction. Do you understand? When you try to to take that fraction back to its lowest form, you are going to have what? You are going to have this. So whenever you multiply this one by this one again, and you want to try, reducing this back to where you are coming from, so you are going to have this back. Are you getting it now? So therefore, let's see what we are going to do. So we go further, by do the multiplication. So now from here, you can see that 1 sine theta times 1 sine theta, like let's say you have x, let's say you have x times x, this is going to be x squared. So the same thing we're going to do when you have 1 minus sine theta times 1 minus sine theta. Are you getting now? What are you going to have? Let's see what we are going to have. In the next page, you are going to have what? You are going to have the square root of 1 minus what? 1 minus sine theta, okay, all squared, divided by what do we have there? So now this one too, 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta. So what are we going to do? Let's try to multiply this denominator by the denominator here. Are you getting now? 1 times 1, what do we have? We're going to have 1. Do you understand now? So now we're going to have minus sine theta. Are you getting it now? And also sine theta times 1, we are going to have plus sine theta. Then lastly you have what? Sine theta times minus sine theta. So we are going to have what? We are going to have minus sine square theta. So now from there, you can see that we are going to have 1 minus sine theta all squared, okay, divided by this is going to cancel this. You are going to have 1 minus sine square theta. So from here, you can see that this can be splitted into 2. 1 minus sine theta all squared over 1 minus sine square theta. I guess now. So when you have that, so now when we go for that, you see that this square, we cancel the square root. And this one inside, that is 1 minus sine square theta, can also be cos square theta. Do you understand? This will be cos square theta. So we are going to be having 1 minus sine theta, okay, over cos square theta, because sine what? Square theta plus cos square theta is going to give us 1. So therefore, anywhere you see sine square theta, that is cos square theta, is going to be 1 minus sine square theta. I get it now. And we have 1 minus sine square theta here. Definitely cos square theta will be replaced. We are going to replace 1 minus sine square theta with what? Cos square theta. So now from there, this can be splitted into 2, like 1 minus cos square theta minus sine theta. I get it now. We have forgotten the square root here. So having the square root, this 2 is going to cancel this. We are going to have what? We are going to have cos theta. I get it now. We are going to have cos theta, and this also, by what? Cos theta. I get it now. So now from there, you can have 1 over cos theta, 1 over cos theta. That is going to be sec what? That's going to be sec theta because of the cos here. I get it now. So therefore, that is sec theta, because sec theta is the reciprocal of what? 1 over cos theta. Then minus sine theta over cos theta is what? Is tan theta. And you can see that this is what we have at the right hand side of the equation we asked to find. Therefore we can say that this is actually proved. Do you understand now? And that is the end of today's lecture. If you find the class very interesting, do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications bell, so that you'll be notified anytime I drop my videos. I remain my humble self, Shitu. So now, do not forget to share this video and share to your learning colleagues. Then like if you have any question to ask, or if anything is confusing about what we have done so far, do not hesitate to hit on the comment box and ask. I'm always there for you to give you your response. Thank you so much for watching once again. Bye.